I welcome Nitin. Dr. Nitin Ghorpad is a very fearful young gun from Maharashtra. He is talking about retroperitoneum, the entry to the impossibilities. Dr. Nitin.
Hi, I am Dr. Nitin Gorupade, Inspire Laparoscopy Center, Shirdi, Maharashtra. I am going to speak on retroperitoneum entry to impossibilities.
Yes.
Okay. So in this picture, we can clearly see crystal white water and fish are swimming under it. So same principle we are going to use on our retroperitoneal dissection. So this is our first space, that is utrovesical space. We are using harmonic like tip of the tailor. So this space have two layers, two fascia. One fascia is go with bladder and second is go with uterus. While dissecting this space, we should does not injure this fascia, otherwise there will be oozing or torrential bleeding. Try to push bladder as possible as down. This remaining part of UV fold. So this is our triangle. Anteriorly there is round ligament, medially IP ligament, and laterally extrailiac vessels. So pararectal space is space which lies beside rectum, and it is bounded by medially rectum, laterally intrailiac artery, and anteriorly by the uterines. It is divided by ureter into two spaces, that is medial pararectal space and lateral pararectal space. Medial pararectal space, also called Oka-Wiasis space, in which our hypogastric nerve is running 2 centimeter below the ureter, and lateral pararectal space, that is Ladskog space, is important for radical hysterectomy. There are 5 principles that I use while dissecting retroperitoneum. First principle is 100% sharp dissection. Because of that 100% sharp dissection, there is a crystal white background and we can see one layer below structures. That is our first principle. Our second principle is if you do 100% sharp dissection, there is no oozing and CO2 makes space for you. Then there is third principle is layer by layer dissection of retroperitoneum, that will open up everything. Then there is a fourth principle, that is there will be 3 roads. Medial road is our ureter, then there is lateral road, that is our extrailiac artery, and there is central road, that is our intrailiac artery. So we have to follow that our central road, that is intrailiac artery, and obliterated umbilical ligament. And fifth principle is there is 3 layers: upper level, middle level, and below level. In upper level, that is in first level, there is one side there is IP ligament, parallel to that is extrailiac artery. In second level, there is ureter, and parallel to that is extrailiac vein. And in third level, that is lowermost, that is intrailiac artery.
So your video is not playing.
Oh, okay. I am pausing it. Hello.
Yeah. Okay.
So you have 10 minutes, so I'll appreciate you run the video and you keep on talking, dear.
Okay. So this is a round ligament. We cut round ligament, extended our incision anteriorly, and working posteriorly parallel to the IP ligament. Till the psoas muscle exposes. So this is our principle, that is layer by layer dissection. And this is crystal white background, which is helpful to identify structure one layer below. And we are cutting around the intrailiac artery and the orbiter umbilical ligament. So this is our pararectal space. It is between interiliac artery and ureter. We are using almost 100% sharp dissection, which is helpful to identify structure one layer below. And we are now working for paravesical space, which is lies lateral beside bladder. This is layer by layer dissection of paravesical space. So finally, we will reach to levator ani. Again, we separated vein from the artery and cutting uterine artery at origin. By clipping method, by harmonic at level 5. Same steps are we are going to follow here. We are cutting round ligament. This all dissection is on level 5, extending our incision anteriorly and working posteriorly till exposes psoas muscle. Traction and counter traction is very important. And this is our layer by layer dissection with 100% sharp dissection and crystal white background. So I can clearly see extrailiac artery. Below that, there is extrailiac vein. And I know that parallel to that extrailiac vein, there will be a ureter. So that is my predictive anatomy. Now I can see extrailiac vein, and parallel to that, this is ureter. So we can see ureter very clearly. And now I am proceed to third level, that is deep down, there will be intrailiac. So between extrailiac vein and ureter, deep down, there will be intrailiac artery. And I am using almost 100% sharp dissection because I know a position of intrailiac artery. And I am working for, this is pararectal space.
Doctor, 2 minutes remaining.
Again, I am working for paravesical space. While dissecting for paravesical space, we are trying to stay close to the obliterated umbilical ligament. That is the safest way to go deep down. Again, by increasing traction, we are cutting uterine at level 5. So this is prerectal space. While dissecting prerectal space, we have to go between two layers of denonuclear fascia, and we have to stay above the fat.
Doctor, 1 minute remaining.
So in this patient, I slightly misplane. But later on, we will in the correct plane. At the end, I will say, while dissect without knowledge of retroperitoneum, you are like Abhimanyu. You know how to enter in Chakravyuha, but you don't know how to come out. So good knowledge of retroperitoneum is very important to in difficult situation. And second thing is, when you operate, try to operate in the state of flow. For that, you should maintain 4 things. First, you should know optimum use of your instrument. Second, good knowledge of anatomy. Third, you know how to manage complication.
Doctor, time up.
Okay. Thank you for opportunity, Madam Sunita Madam, Dr. Mangeshkar sir, and Mahindra Borse sir.
Thank you, Nitin. Thank you. It was wonderful.
Mahindra, just
Nitin is a man of action.
I think before you take to Ashok, Nitin, I saw your few videos sometimes, and I wanted to show the talent in India, even in a smaller cities, how it is going beautifully. So we appreciate your efforts, Nitin. Thank you. Mahindra, proceed, please.
Nitin has reached quite far, ma'am. You don't know.
I don't know. I saw his one video.
No, he has reached offshore. Right.
Okay.
Thank you, Nitin. Thank you. Nitin is a man of action.